Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, man. Franchise to choosing one. 10-star general. You know it go already, you know, when we come for representing a full effect thing, man. You know it go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion bout ya. Watch it, man. You know the people's champion, right? You know a Gaza favorite. Oh, you mean? You know the most electrify man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, no, man? It come like, I know some people not get it, you know. Some people love try me, you know. I'ma tell them, say, you know, me's not a blogger, you know. Me a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube entertainment business. How much time I tell you, know? Yo, when you know run up and down, you know, and I call up the general name, you know, you know, make no sense whatsoever, you know. Right now it sound like a bad mind, you know, have, you know. Me never gonna lie, you know. Cause right about now, you know, me artists are run out, you know. And I say, you know, a vybz kartel, bounty killer, ninja man, Movad and alkaline, them on the 6 them, response to the youth, them are going like that. Yo, artists, me see say you're afraid of the system, but you look like a bad mind artist them. Because me hear y'all talk about look how vybz kartel youth them are grow up nice and them are sing nice and clean music. Then not that them for do. We need one. We need one here say vybz kartel youth them grew up and a turn itis and a go on with beating and go to jail and prison. That you don't want. Yo, you not go see that, man. Let me tell you something, man. The 4 youth them were the man them all with the gun. A man a try to put them thing there on music. And them shit because you claim say music slang them are use. But let me tell you something, not even artists have slang like the youth them in the ghetto. So all the slang them where you hear the artists them with the youth them in the ghetto create that. Artists don't go use them thing there. And let me tell you something. When you can't stay a country, you know, I feel like when you can't talk about what go on in a Kingston, in the ghetto, you know. I want to never walk the street of the ghetto yet, you know. Make sure I tell you that, you know. Because I don't know a joke thing, you know. You see what I deal with? Because the youth, them are 12-year-old, 13, 14, and 15. Yo, when vybz kartel there, them youth there, when vybz kartel go to prison, them youth there are 3 and 4 and 5-year-old. So what happened to them parents? And who grew them? Them not know a vybz kartel. Them are 3 and 4 and 5-year-old. Them time there. Them not know a vybz kartel. Who grew them up? What them parent them there? When they talk up on the mouth and a chat up on the mouth. Let me tell you now where go on at the ghetto and don't know about, you know. Yo, man, not hide knocking at the ghetto, you know. And you can't inform, you know. Otherwise, you know, you have to have police and soldier escort and move you out of that, you know. Make sure I tell you that, you know. I make sure I tell you this, you know. What happened to the Dan them in the ghetto? Where they were run by MP. You know what I mean? Let me tell you what the youth them see what and not talk about. The youth them a see the knockies. The youth them a see the man them a live the big lifestyle and a get the big praises in the ghetto. You know what I mean? I have the most pretty girl. And them chain bigger and prettier than some entertainer one. And them have big vehicle and big bike a drive up and ride up. Because politicians control them as era done. You know what I mean? And when time them get in trouble or anything, politicians fly them out of foreign. And when them go foreign and make money and come back, where you think them bring? Be a gun. And them think they for hold them ends and say that them around the place. You see nobody go foreign, go make no money and come back and build up no trade center, no school, no nothing at all for the youth them. Eh? You not chat up on the mouth. Eh? We talk about the political violence we start them thing. They want to think vybz kartel and bounty killer and ninja man them sing board. Now when them see happen them start them sing board. Eh? And them did go start nothing. Eh? Eh? You not come and chat up on the mouth like you don't know nothing at all about ghetto. You not walk the street and not ghetto. Who know no? Like so now some ghetto youth will walk the street and know what go on in the ghetto. Now come use no listening fairy tales and I go like say, you don't want to use certain occasions for feel like you can call the man name. A lollipop thing when I go on with you sound like a bad mind thing on the pan. And even a joke thing. But the man youth are growing, them are growing nice and I do nice and clean songs. So what them supposed to do? Eh? What we want here? The general youth them a shatter and then we talk about here we know sir that a go happen. Eh? Sorry, Harry. It not go that way there. You hear that? Not for you to come off for the man name. You can't use the opportunity to feel like you can bring down the general and 10 star the board. And I don't know joke thing, because I don't know ghetto youth. You don't go in the ghetto, you don't know what go on the street of the ghetto. I want me to tell you, a politician and era than run the ghetto. You don't know what go on. You never see war go on in the ghetto, turf war. I ever see police and bad boy fight against other turf. You ever see that yet? You know what them thing they go on in the ghetto? MP boy send out him police them for use him soldier them and war at the block. You don't know nothing about that. You don't live them type of life there. Come chat up on the mouth and feel like you can come talk up on TV, pop on YouTube and feel like or Facebook and feel like create an impact, A hatred you don't sound like you have. A boy never in a house and can't come out for all 2-3 days. Gunshot from morning till and no police not come to rescue. And when you come outside, all 7 people you see lie down on the ground, where you grew up with, dead. You want to know about their lifestyle. Boy, you know what that chat say. When I come and talk on a fucker, an artist make the people them go on like that. Or a lack of education, lack of knowledge, lack of job, you know what I mean? Lack of choices, you know what I mean? No parenthood. The youth them no respect the parent and the parent them no respect the youth them. What not chat about? Eh? Me not hear not talk nothing about that. Yo, discipline start from your home first. And if them youth they are 12, if them youth they are 12 and 13, 14, 15 year old, that simple mean when time vybz kartel they are jail. Them youth they are 4, 5 and 6 year old. So what them parents they them don't know vybz kartel and who grow them up, what them taught them, what them teach them. So who not come chat boy. Everything when you go like you want push down upon the man, them as you get the opportunity for walk more up on the mouth. When you go like you want violate the man. And I go like with some joke thing. Yo, no one I do, A 10 star, At the general, Yo, let me tell you something, at the chosen one, Yo, you know hear this? At the people's champion, Yo, hey, a Gaza favorite, Hey, let me tell you something. At the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yo, what smell bad mind, It a stink up the whole place, The general, 10 star, Gaza way. Ain't no other way. What?